Welcome to YouTube channel Lifestyle News. Before you continue reading, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss of any the big development that has been covered up. To your opinion, to the comment, did you guess this from the beginning, or did this confession really shake your faith as any army does? Started with one Luka gaze that lasts only a few seconds, but it enough to spit into the reality of the South Korean entertainment world has, and that has so far seemed smooth on the surface. The look that occur backstage when the camera are no longer on, when the staff have started to clean up the tool, and when the world think that everything is over, but in fact it was only the beginning of a storm that is now sweeping away all assumption. Today, Bang Gi-hyuk, the figure behind the glory of HYB, the man who shaped BTS from dream dust into a global masterpiece, has finally spoken, and not just any talk to dismantle everything about Thai, about the Jungkook, about rumor that have been obscured by the shadow of the industry. What we have always considered to be just a rumor, it turned out, and it's not entirely a pigment. Bang Hook mentioned that he has been harboring uncomfortable truth for a year, and now as the mood of the industry changed, as public pressure and a fan voice grew louder, and he felt it was time to tell the truth. It's not an easy decision, Bang Gi-hyuk and the said in an interview, this shocked everyone. His voice sounded tired but steady. But I know that too much is sacrificed just for the sake of keeping the illusion. I can't let those and the two people continue to get hurt in silence just because we are all too afraid to face the truth. Naturally, the public immediately guessed, and those two guys everyone knew immediately who he met. Kim Theong when the John Jungkook, two figure who over the year have been linked in a narrative that continue to be fried by the speculation fan theories to the conspiracies that are sometimes too wild to believe, but today the wild is becoming the reality. According to the Bang Gi-hyuk, the relationship between Theong and Jungkook was indeed different from the beginning. He mentioned that since the time of the trainees, there were an unusual inner connection between them. It's not just because they are closer to often together, he said, but because they dare to be themselves when they are together. And in this world, it is very rare. And one sentence of his long statement caused all the media and uproar. I was once asked to separate them. The request, he said, came from internal party who felt their intimacy and was too risky. It's not clear and who exactly. And one sentence of his long statement caused all the media an uproar. I was once asked to separate them. The request, he said, came from internal party who felt their intimacy was too risky. It is not clear who exactly, but many are beginning to speculate that this and the pressure come from the HYB shareholder or even from certain institutions that are worried about BTS influence globally. They were afraid that the closeness of those two members would be the interpreted politically or even become a loophole to bring BTS down from within. Bang said softly. Even more shocking was when he admitted that in 2018 he had personally sat down with Jungkook and asked him to keep more distance from Taeyong in public. It was the moment I regret the most in my life, he said. I saw how Jungkook's face changed. He is not angry, it does not protest, he just shut up. And but from that silence, I know I have betrayed him. And the recognition left fans around the world divided. Some and they were relieved that the truth was finally revealed, but many also feel angry, disappointed, even devastated because they realize that behind the smile and laughter of BTS member, there is pain that has never been given room to breathe. And Taeyong himself is an old video that is now back viral. Once said in the Vibe, there are people who make me feel comfortable, but sometimes I have to pretend I don't feel anything. Now after Bang Gi-hyuk's statement, that sentence sound with deeper and that before, but the story is not finished yet. Bang Gi-hyuk also revealed this in 2021 when BTS began hinting at a hiatus. There have been internal dynamics that have changed drastically. Taeyong and Jungkook, he said, became and the more close off to each other in public spaces, but got closer emotionally behind the scene. He mentioned that during the promotion of Butter, and permission to dance. There were many moments were both indirectly sure that they needed each other to stay afloat. The question now is why is Bang Si-hyuk and taking now the answer gives the gossip. There are leaked documents and the document he said briefly I have to take control before the media talk these narrative and destroy them. What the document contains has not been revealed, but there are rumors that the document contains transcript of HYB internal conservation psychological evaluation of the member and even a letter from one of the BTS member that was never made public. Fan around the world can only wait. Will Jungkook and Taeyong take will the justify Danny or just be silent? The world will never be the same after his confession. Bang Hyo ended the interview with a piercing sentence. I don't know if they will forgive me and but at least they know that now they are free. Does the mean that the relationship between Taeyong and Jungkook has been more than just a casual friendship? Have they been hiding something deeper, something they cannot reveal because of fear, because of the burden of the public, or because they are constrained by a system that they themselves are unable to fight? Does this mean that the theories of fans so far about their intimacy, about body language, about eye gesture are not just the fantasies? And we all will probably never know for sure. But today, one thing has become very clear, something big, very big, has happened behind the scene of BTS, and we just saw the tip of the iceberg. What will the future look like? Will Jungkook and Taeyong still be able to be together under the spotlight and without fear, or will this rebellion force them to step back, to step away, and let the public once again master the narrative of their lives? And now it's your turn to talk. Write your comment below. Do and you believe in the connection between Taeyong and the Jungkook? Do you think the entertainment industry is too cruel to its artists? And more importantly, are you ready to face the truth that we have always considered by an illusion? One word can change history, one decision can change the lives of two people whose whole world is under the gaze of millions of eyes. And in a world built by the perfection of illusion and media narrative, honesty can to be the deadliest weapon. Our most own as healer Bang Hyuk, the man who knows the mastermind and the visionary producer and quit figure behind BTS and rumbling success, had thrown a generate into the middle of a field that had been guarded by a face. And our silence since the interview aired. The world has changed. Trending topic around the world dominated by one name, Bang Hyuk. It was followed by the next two names, Taeyong and Jungkook. The old video are the back footage of movement that used to be taken for granted is now being and the reanalyzed with the bated breath. Look at how Jungkook and the looks at Taeyong in this video. Wrote on the net, see how Taeyong always turned to Jungkook before answering a question. In this call was there from one person, and the content protection all along the media began to dig deeper. They interviewed Hybe and the old star farmer, vocal to the coaches, and even lightning assistants who used to work for BTS concert. Some choose silence, but some others a condition of anonymity provided to the less shocking leak. One of them said in the 2020, when the world had no lockdown due to the pandemic, Taeyong and Jungkook spent in the studio until morning just talking. They don't record song to training, they just sit it with and the other stories. But from outside the studio glass, I can't see it was not just a normal conservation. And the report said that there was a sudden change in BTS international promotion schedule at the time, and on one occasion in New York, Taeyong repeatedly and refused to appear on a TV show if not in one vehicle with Jungkook. The request gave management a head tug because at the time there was a car sharing based on a private schedule, but in the end the request was fulfilled, and the no one knows why. Now all feel they know why. While the world was busy speculating, the army was in a storm of uncontrollable emotion. Someone was crying reading Bang Si-hyuk interview transcript, and some are angry because they feel that their two ideals are forced to hide their feeling. Other defending high past decision because the industry is cruel and it may be the only way to keep BTS safe in and successful. But one thing I undeniable, all the give risk to collective wound Leuka, because during the time fans are asked to believe in the narrative that all is well. They wound because in Taeyong's smile And in Jungkook love was hidden in a pain that was never given room to come out. It hurt because the two young humans have to bear the brunt of expectation, conspiracy, and pressure from a world that want to control their lives. The question arises: do they love each other? Bang Gi-hyuk never said that explicitly, but in the interview he said there is a taste that is too pure to be and described by a level that they complement each other. They know how to save each other from this world. Is that love? I don't know, but I know is real. Those words hurt more than our direct confession because that's exactly what it feels bitter that maybe and they themselves can't give a name to their relationship or rather are not allowed to give a name. Shortly after the statement aired, a sudden video circulated and the was uploaded by an unknown account but is currently from an insider. In the video, Jungkook appeared to be talking to someone who is allegedly his personal manager. He is here saying, if I could choose one person who would remain even if all these were gone, it's Taeyong. That sentence left the world speechless. Then it exploded. Suddenly, Jungkook's name again occupied the trending position. Fans are crying. Many say that this is the most honest confession of love that was never meant to be known to the public, but it's too late. The world has heard. HYBE has not issued an official statement, but internal sources said that an emergency meeting was held just an hour after the video circulated in it, and they discussed the potential image impact, medical damage, and the possibility of giving various members more freedom and post-military. Serving Taeyong himself is still silent. Jungkook too, but a fan with an old account who was once known to have leaked some account into BTS and activity shared in hint that Taeyong is writing a letter. Nobody knows what the letter contains, but many speculate that this was this last emotional response before they decided to speak out officially. Behind all this, we forget that they are only human. Taeyong with a beauty that is often misunderstood, Jungkook with sincerity that is often silent, and the Bang Gi-hyuk with his courage showing up too late. The world is asking too much of them. The world demands perfection when all they need is space to breathe. A night fell in Seoul. Fan hit digital candle to the account of large fan bases to those who were her silently wrote on the caption for a love that cannot be named to one known how the story will end. Will high below them to speak? Will the public change their views, or will like my tragic story in the history of the industry everything will be again silent? And with new PR strategy and the scandal that mask old won today, however, one thing become very clear: that world will never see Taeyong and Jungkook the same way again. They are not just ideal, they are human beings, and now for the first time the world is forced to see the truth that glitter, stage, and slogan have been hiding for so long. This is the turning point in this story. In this should not have happened, or maybe it should have happened from the beginning. That it's time for you to speak up. Write a comment below your voice opinion. Do you believe in the love behind silence? Do you feel the world is mature enough to accept this truth? And most importantly, if you were them, what would you do? And the whenever we walk and they talk about BTS, there is always hope hidden in their every word, in their every move. BTS is not just a music group, they are a global phenomenon, a symbol of the struggle and unstoppable power. But behind their immense popularity lies a deeper, more personal story, often hidden from public view. When Bang Gi-hyuk spoke, it was as if the world gasped, but more than that, his confession and explanation show things up. He opened up space for much bigger question about two individuals who had been considered part of one perfect whole, Taeyong and Jungkook. And Bang Gi-hyuk revealed basically during all these years there were many things that he was forced to hide. The decision taken to preserve the image, to protect the fragile happiness among the enormous pressure of the outside world. Even behind the glare of the stage lights there is much more complicated reality, and this really create an emotional abyss that only those inside can truly understand. We just want to protect them. And the Bang Gi-hyuk said in the shocking interview, we see how much weight they carry, and sometimes the decisions we take are not easy one. However, despite this song and the strong desire to protect it, open up in and the invisible wound. Why? Because fans who have been loving BTS and with all Their hearts also feel that a distance has formed between them and their ideal. Every step, every look, every seemingly ordinary smile is now regarded as a clue, as a code that may lead to a greater. I hope to enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.